If you want to plait big cornrow like this, I would advise you to use this method. It will be easy for you because this is big. You have big length. So it's good you apply this method. Take out the little one you want to start with. Then cut this into two. This will make your gripping to be neat. When you braid, it will be neat and look smart. Divide it into two. Then start with the front one I have already bring out. And start braiding. Because to do big cornrow like this, it is always hard. And if you do not grip it very well, it will be loose. So start by this. And make sure you are holding it tight. Then take your comb or your nails, take a little like this, closer to your finger. You see what I just did? I cut from here and join this one. Then continue braiding. Continue braiding. Take your comb again. Excuse me. Then cut a little from here too. Join like this. Let's see what I did. Let's see how it will look like. You see my hand? Then position your hand very well. Look at it. Stitch. Then stitch. Take. You stitch. You take. Just cut a little. That's the same method I use in the other cornrow. Then stitch. But this one you have to be careful because it is big. Learn to grip it tight. Stitch it. In my next episode, I will show you how to add extension when you are doing cornrows. Stay tuned. You see that it is now possible for you to braid the big one, big size. It's not only the small, it depends on what the customer wants. There are some people that they don't have time to stay for long. They will tell you, I want big, big. You can divide their hair into 4 or 5, depends on the hair size or quantity of the hair. Then you grip, you braid the hair, nothing much. You braid the hair. Look at it. See the results here. It's already showing. Look at it. Look at it. Hope you are watching what I'm doing. I'm watching the hand movement when I'm gripping here. You are seeing what I'm doing. Look at it. This is to show you that it is not only the small size you can do, although the small size is very easy to do, very easy. Many people like to braid small sizes. To braid big, it's not everyone that know how to grip it. So when you learn small ones, we also learn big. See the length, see the outcome, see the result. Watch here. How do you see it? Look at it. Even though it's big, but see, it is tight. This come, look at it. It's tight. Look at it. Very tight and neat. You too can try it.